This is the Frankia Now. It is a vehicle brought out. I think it's been put into series production 2024. It's now available, and it's caravan salon. There was long queues trying to get to see it. It's got one or two novel things. Looks a bit, in some ways, rather reminded me of a Niesmann Bischoff, the Ice Mauve. Or the Smauve, even if I didn't even the Ice Mauve. The Smauve sort of reminded me. I think that was more the colour scheme. Can't quite explain what it was. And anyway, let's having a look around it, and let's come to the back and look down the front. Now the bed has been left in a position which is a bit inconvenient, but it will go up higher than that, which is fortunate. Let's just show the bed going up. Now, I'll put it up. That was a slow, but I think it's okay. I'll show you how much space. Standing under the bed now, there's plenty of space. You could even, if you don't want to take your stuff off the bed, you could even, if you're not significantly taller than I am. I'm 175 meters. So that's about 190 approximately on clearance for me. One of the problems though with the bed here is that it affects it means there's often steps in the vehicle. Now down here I notice we've got this, and there you've got the water tank. So it's a double floor with infrastructure in the double floor. Kitchen block, you've got two burners here and a reasonable sink actually, I think. Bear in mind it's a 7-meter vehicle, this one. This opens up there for your awful coffee machine, and these things here, I don't know. Someone was trying to sell the idea to me. I think I'd much rather have a cafetiere, but then again I'm a snob, and I wouldn't be drinking out of capsule things, but that's me. There we go, bit of space in the kitchen. It opens like that. Just from a storage front, I've got no complaints there. There's your fridge. Oh, look at that. There's where the drink is. That was the coffee thing. We've also got space under the bed. I'm a bit optimistic putting hangers in there, I think, given the amount of space there is there. And under here we will find they've got this is the bed bit which would go in there to make a double bed. Problem with the German layout, you've got to store that. It's got to be stored somewhere, and that obviously means that there's less storage for other things. I do like this. I mean, it's not just, this is not unique to Frankia. Lots of people do this, but I think it makes a lot of sense. Where you got your feet, any case, you don't need much space above your feet. Washroom. I think it's got two drainage points. One here and one down there. A very original look to it. That looks as though it's not, but it looked as though it was ceramic to me. And shower unit. I think this is really this here is really very, very attractive. Very attractive. This is a false wall which will open up. There you go. So there's your shower. Look, there's even the space in the shower. Really, lots of space there. Very, very high shower room. Very good. Very nice. And it's got a sensible sliding door, which I understand is difficult to clean. And we've got some storage down here as well. It looks as though it's one of these wine cabinet things here. There you go. And you can open that from this side as well, as I remember rightly. Or maybe I remember incorrectly. Oh, nice. I just opened it. There you go. It opens two ways. So, let's have a look at some of the features of this. I think the price is around 100,000, as I recall. I went to the press conference just now. It was mentioned, and I've forgotten. We've got a television up there. What do I like? I don't like the. What don't I like? To start off with, I don't like this floor. Actually, I don't like that at all. I like a flat floor all the way back. I do appreciate there may be technical reasons why you can't have a flat floor. The bed up there, the mechanism for the bed is really good for that, and it looks as though when it did a demonstration at Dusseldorf and we brought the bed down, and it looked as though it's going to hit things, and it doesn't. So the mechanism, this bed is really well made, and so from that point of view, that I suppose is positive. If you want an extra bit of storage, then an extra bed, not bit of storage, an extra sleeping space, which for additional people use from time to time, then maybe, or if maybe you don't want to sleep next to the person you're with. It's got another interesting down here. So there's this extension to this chair as well, so you can sort of stick your feet on there while sitting up here. The chair is it's unusual, and I would say that's another thing that's quite positive. I really like the size of this table, and you can actually fold it up to make more space, particularly if you want to put the driving chair back a bit. Decor, I mean, depends, everybody's different, but I think the decor for me it doesn't. Maybe I'm not that fussy, but maybe that yellowish orange colour or whatever it is, it doesn't quite appeal. But anyway, I like the Niesmann Bishop look about it. That washroom's great. So they're the positive things. Frankia's got a good reputation as well, so as a manufacturer. Let's have a look at the garage. Got a stack of space in there. We easily get two bicycles in there, no problem at all. You've got behind, same as on the liners, you've got the electrical stuff here. So you've got your fuse boxes. You've got, I think, the inverters there. You've the chargers in there. So it's on a Fiat Ducato base. The other vehicles we've got here, for example, are it's mainly Mercedes Sprinter. Mainly, but not uniquely. Let's have a look in here. So there we have two gas cylinders it will take. There is there's a drainage as well for it, which is, we're seeing now better drainage in these things. I'll open this as well if I can. It's not. Oh, it's locked. No, it's not. Sorry. Yes, it is, it's locked. But anyway, you can see that the door this side is the same size as well. So, German Brand Award 22 winner. This vehicle, of course, nobody thought of it. Well, something might have been thought of, but it wasn't exhibited until the 2024 season. So, there you have it. Frankia Now. What do you think? It's different from other Frankia models. In Dusseldorf, I did a video with a friend of mine, so the two of us came together and we did a joint opinion piece on this vehicle, and that's a much longer video, so it's like nearly half an hour. So we're giving opinions on this, that, and the other. So you might want to see that. I'll put a link to it below. But for the moment, from me in Stuttgart, thank you very much for watching. All the best from me, and bye for now.